Okay, we're here at the Weldcoa booth. I've got Melissa Hurd and Adam Marcum. First, I'm going to start with you, Melissa. Talk about what's new with Weldcoa and what you guys have been up to.
Weldcoa's doing really great. Our shop is running really strong. We are pumping out a whole bunch of pallets and gas packs. We manufacture our own leads, and the demand on that has been rising a lot as well, including manifolds. So we're busy. We're loving it. We're really excited to see that distributors are starting to see an uptick in market sales. And so when distributors are busy, we are busy. So it's a good sign for all. It looks like the summer and fall are going to be a strong one, and we're ready for the challenge.
Yep, I'll attest to that. I see you guys' pallets everywhere. Every time I go to a distributor, Weldcoa pallets. Adam, talk to me about some of the things that might be unique at this point, maybe things that you haven't done for distributors in the past that now you find yourself doing day to day.
So something new to Weldcoa are some of the products we're doing from my pump days and my expertise there as helping distributors do loading skids and centrifugal pump skids. And we actually had a couple pump manufacturers approach us to help them support end user applications, and then distributors will come to us for our expertise of our group to help them size pump application systems, whether it be a reciprocating pump or a lot of times lately have been a lot of centrifugal pump applications that the team hasn't had a whole lot of experience with, that I'm helping us guide us through and navigate those waters for us.
Super helpful to have somebody like with the expertise, and you're not really sure, call Adam. He'll help guide you through the process. Another question for you, Melissa. You guys do a lot of trainings throughout the year. What's the training schedule look like, and what should distributors know about the trainings that you do at Weldcoa?
So what we've heard a lot from distributors lately is they want to go back to that in-person training. So Weldcoa is going to go back to having everyone come for the Fill Plant 101 training. We start at a very basic level, and then we can spend the second day getting into purity and calibrations. We're really excited about that. We could do a little specialty gas and a little medical gas while people are there to hit the full spectrum, but in-person training is going to be the offering that we have. And we still have the Gas Masters training as well, which is a digital training, so we can hit your tab. We understand not everybody can travel, so we're going to tackle both aspects of that for you.
Love it, yeah. Get it both ways. I've been there. That training facility is top notch. So if you're ever considering doing some gas training, check out Weldcoa's training facility. Thank you guys for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you guys, Hector,
Thank you.
Melissa, Jesus, at these shows. So
Thank you.